If your financial advisor isn't telling you this, you might want a new one, because right now, American retirees are quietly using a strategy that Wall Street would rather you never find out about. It's how James Walker, a retired contractor in Phoenix, Arizona, rolled over exactly $532,410 from his 401k into a gold IRA and slept like a baby while banks were collapsing last year. But here's the twist. This strategy isn't new. In fact, it's been legal for decades. But the truth is, most advisors don't make money when you protect your savings. They only profit when you keep your money in the system. And that is why you're not hearing about this. Here's what's happening right now. Inflation's still not under control. The Fed is walking a tightrope between cutting rates and triggering another wave of asset bubbles. Geopolitical tensions, rising, bank failures, already happening. National debt, over $34 trillion. And yet, millions of Americans still have their entire retirement locked up in paper assets. But folks like James, they saw the writing on the wall. Last year, after watching the headlines, he took a hard look at his 401k and realized something. I've been building this for 40 years, and it could vanish in 40 days. So he took action, not all of it, just a portion, enough to protect his future, enough to secure his family. And it all started with a free gold IRA guide. Now, before we go any further, let's talk about what a gold IRA actually is and why advisors might not be telling you the whole story. A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that lets you hold physical gold and other precious metals, just like you'd hold stocks or mutual funds. It's tax advantaged, it's IRS approved, and it gives you something that no stock ever will, tangible security. Now here's the catch. Traditional advisors don't specialize in this, and some flat out won't bring it up because they don't get the same commissions or control. But gold IRA specialists, they're different. Their job isn't to sell, it's to educate. And that's exactly what James experienced. He didn't get pitched, he got answers. And this is the part that hits home for a lot of retirees. It's not just about returns anymore. It's about preservation. It's about legacy. It's about finally taking control over what you spent your whole life building. James told us, I didn't move everything, just enough to feel peace. I wanted to know that if something big happened again, I wouldn't lose it all. And now, he's not losing sleep over every market headline. He's not wondering if the Fed's next move will crush his nest egg. He's living his retirement on his terms. So here's the bottom line. If you're 55 or older with $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, and you're worried about inflation, bank failures, or just what's next, you owe it to yourself to get the free Gold IRA guide and book a short, no-pressure educational call. There's no cost, no obligation, no gimmicks, no free silver fluff, just real answers from real people who want you to feel confident about your retirement, no matter what happens next. James started with the free guide. That was the first step. You've worked too hard to leave your future to chance. So take the step, learn the truth, and finally, protect what you've built. Because the secret, it's not that gold IRAs exist. It's that most people don't realize how simple it is to start. And your advisor, they're hoping you stay in the dark, but now you know. Click below and get the free Gold IRA guide today.